In this video, I'll show you how to add a coupon code in Stripe. First, sign into your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, click Product Catalog, then select Coupons from the menu. Now, click Create Coupon. Enter the discount details by choosing either a percentage off or a fixed amount off. If you're creating a fixed discount, select the correct currency and enter the amount. Next, choose how long the coupon should remain active. You can make it valid once, for a limited number of billing cycles, or forever. You can also set a redemption limit or an expiration date if needed. After that, create a promotion code if you want customers to enter a code during checkout. Choose a code that's easy to remember, review your settings, and click Create to save everything. Your coupon is now ready to use and can be applied through a promotion code during checkout or when creating subscriptions, depending on how you've configured your Stripe payments. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a coupon code in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more